Today, we are going to make our dolls a VIP pass. Draw a square on cardstock that measures 1 1/4 inches by 1 inch. Glue that square to another sheet of cardstock to make multiple layers. Cut the square out again and hole punch it at the top. Begin to draw on your VIP design. Seal it with some packaging tape, re-hole punching it. Take a jump ring and attach it to the base of your VIP tag. Make sure to secure it with some eye-nose pliers. Take your 1/8 inch black ribbon and cut it to about 12 inches. Glue together the ends. Add another jump ring to it, folding over and gluing the end. Then, connect both jump rings. If you want, you can also add a small piece of Velcro to the ends, making it easier to put on your dolls. I hope you enjoyed making your dolls a snazzy VIP pass. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.